Hello everybody, hello our student. Today we will continue our class how to learn Protus to be proof. In this lecture we want to start to make our power supply, a simple power supply circuit by use the pole rectifier bridge. First of all we want to take signal from generate mode, take sine signal, after that take the ground. Now take the measurement from virtual instrument mode, take AC voltmeter, check the signal, we'll connect the AC voltmeter here, and as we know we want to set the signal parameter from here, go and put the amplitude like our city current 220, frequency we have range from 50 to 60, we put 50. Now we will run. Okay, as we see the value at the measurement is 155. This result come because this AC voltmeter measurement the RMS value. Check. When we check here, 155, the RMS value. Now we have a high voltage 220 volt AC. We want to reduce to 12 volt AC. We must to use transformer. Take transformer, connect transformer. Now we know the transformer work by the transform equation or transform ratio value. This you must to calculate. I'm already calculate by the primary and secondary. Now I want to change to 167, and I want to measure the output. Now AC now I have 12 volt AC RMS. Now to change this signal from sine signal from AC to DC, we must use the diode bridge. Take the diode from here and start to do bridge. We want 4 diodes. You can put it like that, connect. Now in this bridge we have 4 points to connect. How I know which one input and which one output? We can see here one diode is cathode and one diode is anode. Here this point input AC input and the opposite side AC input. Now we want to check the signal by use oscilloscope. Now we will take the input, yes, output and bridge output and see that signal. Now the yellow signal is the input. It's too much high amplitude. Yellow is output of transformer and pink is output of bridge. We change the timing control switch to see. That is, yellow is the main signal, blue is output of transformer, and pink is output of bridge. Now we have the output of bridge. We want to make this signal pure DC. We can use capacitor. Green now we want to compare between the input and output. We can see here the signal input and this signal output 12 volt DC. Thank you for all. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.